guys, welcome to my vlog. Good afternoon. I'm here in WTC bus stop waiting for the bus 63. Pass by is 40 and 3. I need the bus 63 going to Nadsda Alpala in the house of my friend because I need to bring something there before going to Alwada for our meeting. I don't know what time is the bus coming. The first bus passed by here while I arrived here is bus 103. But the bus now here is 40. I'm waiting for the 63 bus. The bus going to Rim Island. Bus 63 here. I'm here in WTC bus stop. Very hot. The temperature is good. We're down the bridge in WTC. On top of that ceiling is the WTC mall. Anyway guys, on top of that is the WTC mall. I'm here in the bridge between Khalifa to Cornish. Khalifa Street to Cornish. Waiting for the bus 63, the bus going to Rim Island. My hairstyle. I want to be able to put the ponytail. The bus passed by when I arrived here is 103 and then 40. Now I'm waiting for the 63 bus. Anyway guys, if you like my video, don't forget to click like, heart, leave a comment, suggestion, and of course, don't forget to share and subscribe. Thank you very much. Bye. Happy weekend everyone. Enjoy your weekend. Bye.